Okay, we're in session and cause number 321437-2. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Charles Raymond Bussey. We have Mr. Bussey appearing via Zoom. Mr. Bussey, you could take your mic off of mute.
Judge John Jaworski here. I represent Mr. Bussey.
Yes, I see you, Mr. Jaworski. And we have Mr. John Jaworski, who is representing Mr. Bussey. Mr. Bussey, how are you doing?
Blessed, sir.
That's good. Now, Mr. Jaworski, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Judge.
That's good.
You want to know what's
Mr.
going on the case?
Mr. Jaworski, Mr. Bussey's case is on the announcement docket. Do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Bussey's
Yeah,
case?
Judge, we're still not ready. The state just set up the portal and for discovery, and we're still trying to get it off the portal. For some reason, there's some bugs in it that is not allowing me to get information off. I think we have it all resolved. They say to try again today. Talk with the prosecutor and my staff did over the past couple of days trying to get the issue resolved. We sent discovery requests a long time ago when the case first started, and we're still having trouble getting discovery. But this is a new system, apparently, they say, and they're still working the bugs out of it. But hopefully by the next reset, I'll have everything.
Okay, how much time do you need?
Maybe 30 days, that should do it.
Okay, just hold on, we'll give you a reset date.
I don't have 30, I can do 12:15 or 1:05.
It's gonna be reset to 12:15, which is,
12:15, Judge.
yes, December 15th of 2021. Mr. Jaworski, your reset will be sent to you. And Mr. Bussey, your attorney will be given a copy of this reset date of December 15th of 2021. Mr. Bussey, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You are free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Jaworski, you are free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
Thank you.
Email hasn't,
All right.
it's been not working in the system. It's really-
Oh, okay. Would you get Mr. Brian Herrera Sanchez? Are we ready on that one? Mr. Windler?
Yes, Your Honor. No, we're not, I was gonna ask for a reset.
Okay, just having to come on in.
Yeah, we can do about 4 more on 4:15 and then we're gonna have to switch to 1:20.
Okay. This is cause number 330300 and cause number 330302. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Brian Morton Herrera Sanchez. Mr. Herrera Sanchez, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
Good to meet you.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Herrera Sanchez, you're represented here by your attorney, Mr. Walter Windler. Mr. Windler, how you doing?
I'm doing fine.
That's good. Mr. Windler, do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Herrera Sanchez case?
Your
Cases?
Honor, I'd like to request a reset. I just got the DVD evidence this morning and need a chance to research particularly the weapon charge.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Could you give us a trial date? I mean, a reset date?
4:15 or 1:05.
12:15.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Herrera Sanchez, your case is being reset till December 15th of 2015. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Windler, you could sign the reset date. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
We'll be doing that all morning.
Yeah. That's number 2. Let me go to number. Bailey, could you? Okay, Mr. Bailey, would you please get Ms. Carrazzo's case? Right. It's a Danielle Gilbo and somebody, and see if Jeff Truss is out there as well. Oh, I got Raw. Oh, Raw is out there. Okay. We're in session in cause number 318311. The case is styled the state of Texas versus David Roth. We have Mr. Roth appearing via Zoom. Mr. Roth, how are you doing?
I'm all right, sir.
That's good. Mr. Roth, you're here represented by your attorney, Ms. Lori Perazzo, who is also appearing via Zoom. Ms. Perazzo, how are you doing?
I am doing well, other than being stranded in a parking lot.
Oh, okay.
But hey,
Well,
I have my laptop, so, and a hotspot, so we're good to go.
that's good. Now, Ms. Perazzo, do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Roth's case?
Yes, sir. We have had a little bit of trouble getting the discovery reviewed together, mainly because he lives far away. I'm trying to master the art of document sharing on Zoom. So if I could have just one more reset, and I think I can get it figured out in time, just 30 days, so we can finish review. We've gone over the paper discovery, but it's the video
Okay.
that I haven't been able to view with him.
Okay, Ms. Perazzo, Mr. Roth's case is going to be reset till December 15th of 2021. Your reset will be sent to you. Now, Mr. Roth, your attorney will be sent the reset date of December 15th of 2021. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Mr. Roth, you are free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. You too.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, you're welcome. Ms. Perazzo, your next case is clause number 326023. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Danielle Latrice Gilbo.
Yes, sir.
We have Ms. Gilbo, who's present in court. Ms. Gilbo, is that your full name?
Yes, it is. Thank you so much.
How are you doing, Ms. Gilbo?
Great. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Gilbo, you're represented by Ms. Lori Perazzo. Ms. Perazzo, do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Ms. Gilbo's case?
Yes, sir. I believe that this is going to be a plea, although obviously not today. So if we could just reset this to your next available plea docket.
Give us a plea date.
1/3, January 3rd.
Move up the plea. We're not gonna wait that long to do a plea.
Will you do that?
Put it in, put it on one of the dates that's full. If that case is gonna be, let's put it in November. We'll give it 30 days, we're gonna put it in November.
November 22nd.
Okay, case is being reset to November 22nd of 2021. Ms. Gilbo, you're gonna get your reset here in court. Please stand over there in front of our court coordinator to get your reset. Yeah, case is gonna be disposed of. You can talk to your attorney about it. Okay, stand, all right, you're welcome. Stand on the 4X. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Ms. Perazzo, your reset will be sent to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Okay. The next case is cause number 322657. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Jeff Truss. We have Mr. Truss, who is present in the courtroom. Mr. Truss, would you please come forward? Now, the person on Zoom that has iPhone, please put your mic on mute. Okay, thank you, sir. Now, Mr. Truss, is your full name Jeff Hillman Truss Jr.?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how you doing, Mr. Truss?
Pretty good, sir. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Truss, you're here represented by your attorney, Ms. Laura Perazzo, who's appearing by Zoom. Ms. Perazzo, do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Truss' case?
Yes, sir. I believe that this will also be a plea as well. If we could
Okay.
just get that reset to your next available plea docket, I guess on the same date as Ms. Gilbo's.
That's fine. So, Mr. Truss, your case is gonna be reset to November 22nd of 2021 for a plea. And you can stand on the 4X and get your reset, 4X, get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Ms. Perazzo, I think this will conclude your cases.
Yes, sir. I don't believe I have any more.
Okay, your resets will be sent to you. You're free to go. Stay safe and have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. All right. Yeah, let me see, Mr. Reynolds. Would you call Jose Bernardino? No, he said set your stuff there. You can come up here.
Oh, okay.
This is cause number 329294. Case is filed the state of Texas versus Jose David Bernardino. Mr. Bernardino, is that your full name?
It's not David, it's Daniel.
Okay, I see, AKA Jose Daniel Bernardino. Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Bernardino?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Bernardino, You're represented by your attorney, Mr. Nathan Reynolds, who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Reynolds, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge.
That's good. Mr. Reynolds, Mr. Bernardino's case is on the court's announcement docket. Do you have an announcement you'd like to make?
Yes,
Mr.
Judge, prior to announcing trial, I think Mr. Bernardino may have I'd like to investigate a pretrial option. If we could reset this to the next announcement docket.
Okay. Just give him an announcement date. Either, give him either one. It's just, he's not a plea, it's just an announcement. Okay, this case is gonna be reset for your, January 5th of, 2022.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Reynolds, your reset will be sent to you, and Mr. Bernardino, you can stand on the far X in front of our court coordinator. She's gonna give you a reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, you too.
Hey, Mr. Reynolds, is this your only case?
I believe so, Judge.
Okay, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Okay, Judge, you too. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay. That's my two school.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you're welcome. That's Moore. And Nace, Thomas, Burbank. Moore. This is Gallagher. Okay. Everyone on Zoom, make sure your mic is on mute. Okay, let's do this here. Mr. Is Mr. Samuel, is your
Yes, sir.
client here? Jonathan
Yes, sir.
Davis?
Just visit with them 1 second and we'll come right back in.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. And Mr. Roebuck? We're gonna need Christy Boone and Bobby Nace. Either one. Oh, they're here? Okay.
Yes.
This, Boone is fine.
Yes, I don't have the video yet.
Okay,
I got some
okay, we gotta get a prosecutor. On, is that Bobby Nace?
Bobby Nash.
Okay. This is cause number cause number 329-470. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Bobby Lee Nace III. Mr. Nace, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Nace, how are you doing?
Fine.
Okay, Mr. Nace, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Thomas Roebuck, how you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor.
Okay,
Thank you for
Mr.
asking.
You're welcome. Mr. Roebuck, you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Nate's case?
I got a little more discovery I need to get. Video yet. If you can reach that, I think I can get a better position.
Okay, you're gonna keep it on the announcement docket?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Smith, could you give us an announcement? Nate? This is Bobby Nason. Make sure everyone on Zoom, make sure your mic is on mute.
You take care.
Thank you.
Is there another announcement?
Yes.
1-5.
Okay, it's gonna be reset to January 5th of 2022. Mr. Burbank, excuse me, Mr. Roebuck, you can sign the reset, get your reset. You're gonna get your reset from your attorney, Mr. Nace. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Okay.
Ms. Boone, you could come on up while your attorney is working on that. This is cause number 330292. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Christy Lachelle Boones. Ms. Boones, how are you doing?
Okay.
That's good. Ms. Boones, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Thomas Roebuck. Mr. Roebuck, do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Ms. Boone's
I have
case?
the same announcement I did on the other case. We've got some more discovery.
So you want it, oh, there's Mr. Sunny Wynn right there. You want to reset on the same date?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, it's gonna be reset to January 5th of 2022. You can get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, this is cause number 329272. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Cody Cheyenne Welty. We have Mr. Welty appearing via Zoom. Mr. Welty, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you, sir?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Welty, you're represented here by your attorney, Mr. Wright Kimbler. Mr.
Yes, sir.
Kimbler is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Kimbler? You can take your mic off of mute, Mr. Kimbler. Oh, he just,
Said he left just now.
yes, he must have been having some difficulties.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Welter, we'll come back to, oh, he's
Yep.
coming back.
Okay. Thanks for letting me attend via Zoom.
No problem.
We're having some bad orange runner and we're having some bad weather.
Yeah, I know. Okay, Mr. Kimbler, what's your announcement on Mr. Welter's case?
Your Honor.
You said trial?
Trial, yes.
Okay. Give us a trial date.
Hold on. Get a big trial date.
Just hold on.
Okay. So they had the tornadoes down over here, so.
Okay, wow, be safe. You're in
Yeah.
Orange, right?
Well, it touched down in Myers, so we're okay.
In Vider, you said?
Right by the interchange, that's what they're saying.
By where?
By the interstate, I think.
Oh,
Well, there's also one in Portland.
It's crazy. It's crazy out there.
wow. Yeah. A good thing we have Zoom. You can stay safe. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on.
February 25th.
Okay, Mr. Kimler, Mr. Welch's case is reset to when?
February 21st.
February 21st, for trial of 2022. Mr.
Yes, sir.
Welch, your attorney is gonna get your reset date. You are free to go. This will conclude your case.
All righty,
Stay
thank you.
Okay, stay safe and have a blessed day.
You too. Y'all be safe.
Okay. Now, Mr. Kimberly, you have another case. And that case is John Brown and Mr. Brown is here. The bailiff is going to get Mr. Brown. Just hold on a minute.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Brown, you want to come forward? This is cause number 325730. The case is styled the state of Texas versus John Henry Brown. Mr. Brown, is that your full name? The fourth? Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Brown? That's good. Mr. Brown, you're represented here by attorney Wright Kimler. He is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Kimler, what is your announcement in Mr. Brown's case?
Trial, Your Honor.
What's it?
This one there, 321.
Okay, it's gonna be reset to February 21st of 2022 for trial. Mr. Brown, excuse me. Yeah, Mr. Brown, you can stand on the 4X to get your reset for trial. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. Stay in contact with your bondsman and your attorney. And
Thank you, Your
Mr.
Honor.
Kimber, your reset will be sent to you. This will conclude your cases. You stay safe and have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I have three cases. Cause number 323-896, cause number 323-898, and cause number 323-900. All three cases are styled the state of Texas versus Jonathan Andrew Davis. We have Mr. Jonathan Andrew Davis present in court. Mr. Davis, is that your full name?
Yes, Your Honor.
How are you doing, Mr. Davis?
Your Honor, how are you, sir?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Davis, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Alwyn Sammy. Mr. Sammy, how you doing?
It's a wonderful day, Your Honor.
That's good.
Good morning.
Good morning. Now, Mr. Sammy, you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Davis's cases?
Yes, Your Honor. We'd like to have this place on the plea docket. We have the DVDs. We want to review them, and then we believe we'll be able to resolve it on that day.
Okay, we're gonna reset for, you say you're gonna,
It can be an announcement. We want to.
you just gotta review the
DVD.
discovery and stuff? Okay, just give him a date.
You need 30 days?
That's fine.
30.
That's fine.
I can put you on a docket. It'll be 11.
11/22.
That day, they want something.
That's okay. That's my.
Oh.
But that's fine.
I can't see my.
No, you're not gonna blame that on us. I know.
Let's do, what's the week after? Is it 12? I don't know.
11 to 22 is fine.
Let's do 12.
We gotta have to.
See, it's getting personal then. Everybody want to look out for her.
Okay, okay. Okay, your case is going to be reset, Mr. Davis, to December 6th of 2021.
Did you say, I'm sorry, did you say plea docket or announcement? I mean, they're both on the same.
It doesn't matter,
Yeah. Okay, so Mr. Jonathan Davis, your attorney is going to get your reset. He's going to sign the reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. And stay safe.
Thank you, Right.
All right. And Mr. Sammy, is this the only one you
No,
have?
sir.
Oh, okay, got one more.
Oh, you're gonna come.
It's purposeful.
I think Mr. Sammy, you're gonna have to sign.
You don't have to.
He doesn't? Okay.
You don't have to.
Okay, this is cause number 326690. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Shayna Monique Parkinson. Is that correct?
Yes.
How you doing, Ms. Parkinson? That's good. Ms. Parkinson, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Alvin Samuel. Mr. Samuel, you have an announcement you'd like to make in Ms. Parkinson's
Yes,
case?
Your Honor, we have an offer on this case, 90 days over one. However, we'd like to set this for trial.
Trial? Okay, give us the trial
You're
date.
gonna do 21, February 21st.
Okay.
21st.
Yeah, February 21st of 2022. Ms. Parkinson, once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yeah, can I, hold on. We don't have the DVDs. We're asking, we'll get that from the prosecutor and we can make it, she's gonna make a decision based on what we see in the DVD.
Okay, so you just don't, you just put on
set
an announcement docket? Yeah, give them an announcement date.
So.
Can we do it the same day?
That other one that you had, was that December 6th?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your case is gonna be reset to December 6th of 2021. Ms. Parkinson, your attorney is gonna sign for your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go. Stay safe and have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And I thank Mr. Samuel. This will conclude your cases.
That concludes mine.
Okay, you stay safe and have a blessed day as well.
You also,
Thank you.
stay dry.
Yeah. Okay. Did, Mr. Okay, Mr. Matuska is on, okay, on Zoom. We have two cases. The first case is cause number 326980. Second case is cause number 327240. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Taurus Mark Guidry. We have Mr. Taurus Guidry appearing via Zoom with his attorney, who is also appearing via Zoom, Mr. Ryan Matuska. Mr. Guidry, you can turn your mic off of mute. Mr. Guidry, how are you doing?
Fine.
That's good. Now, Mr. Guidry, you're represented by your attorney, Mr. Ryan Matuska. Mr. Matuska, how are you doing?
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Mr. Matuska, do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Guidry's cases?
Yes, Judge. Judge, we've received most of the discovery in this case, and we've got an offer for Mr. Guidry, but we're still waiting on the one DVD and the one CD. That's why we reset it last time. And I'm thinking maybe Beaumont had sent it to us over the internet and not through the DA's office. So we're trying to figure out what's going on with that.
Okay,
Can we get a short reset?
short reset, yeah. Okay, it's gonna be reset to November 22nd of 2021. Your reset, Mr. Matuska, is going to be sent to you, and Mr. Guidry, your attorney, will get your reset of your next court date, which is November 22nd of 2021. Once you, now, Mr. Guidry, this will conclude your cases. Stay in contact with your bondsman and your attorney. Stay safe, and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Your Honor, I believe that's all I have. May I be
Oh, that's
excused?
it? Okay, Mr. Matuska, your reset will be sent to you. Stay safe and please have a blessed day.
You too, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. LeBlanc. Is this client here?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
What's up, man?
Could you check and see if Marquise O'Neill is here?
I believe he's on Zoom, Judge.
He's on Zoom?
I believe he was supposed to be, yes. That's what he told me last night.
Is anyone on Zoom named Marquise O'Neill? No, he hadn't answered. Okay, we're gonna go to the next case. Mr. Galmore. Okay, we're in session in cause number 327-596. Case is style the state of Texas versus Patrick Daniel Gallagher. We have Mr. Gallagher appearing via Zoom. Mr. Gallagher, thanks for being patient with us. Mr. Gallagher, you're represented by your attorney, Mr. Dustin Galmore. Mr. Galmore is also appearing via Zoom. Mr. Galmore?
Good morning, Judge.
Okay, good morning. Mr. Galmore, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. And Mr. Gallagher, how are you doing?
Fantastic. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing fine. Thank you for asking. Now, Mr. Galmore, do you have an announcement that you'd like to make? I mean, Mr. Galmore, do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Gallagher's case?
Yes, Judge. We've had a mix-up with the DVDs in this case, and so we're asking for one last announcement date. We're going to have that rectified.
Okay. Give us a date. Okay, it's going to be reset to December 6th of 2021, Mr. Galmore. Mr. Gallagher, your attorney will be given a copy of your reset. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Stay safe. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too, Your Honor. Very, very nice. You are. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Okay. Okay. Is that Econ?
Yes, that's Ms. Econ.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How do you pronounce your first name? Miss Econ?
It's Uyai.
Okay, Uyai.
Uyai.
Okay. How you doing, Miss Econ? Miss Econ, how
I'm
are you doing?
okay. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking.
I'm
Miss
fine.
Econ-
How are you?
Well, I'm doing fine. And Ms. Econ, you represented here by your attorney, Mr. Dustin Galmore. Mr. Galmore, you have an announcement you'd like to make in Ms. Econ's case?
Yes, Judge. We did just receive the videos in this case. I've not had an opportunity to go over those with Ms. Econ, and so we're asking for one additional announcement date on this case.
Okay. Now, okay, you just need another announcement?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Mr. Galmore, we noticed that Ms. Econ is charged with assault family violence, and she doesn't have any bond conditions. And so at this time, Ms. Econ, the court is going to give you some bond conditions, and I'll read these conditions to you. And these conditions will be sent to your attorney, and you'll be able to get a copy from your attorney. Now, and it reads, standard bond conditions in county court at law number 2. And it reads, following the arrest and or accusation in county court at law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the following additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Ms. Econ, do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who, A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs or alcohol in the defendant's body, and that's pursuant to the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.44, Section A2 and Section C2. Ms. Econ, do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
And condition number 3, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other locations frequented by the alleged victim. Ms. Econ, do you understand that condition?
Yes.
Okay, and condition number 4 does not apply because that only applies in a DWI case. And so Ms. Econ, now, Mr. Galmore, you still want this case on the announcement docket, is that correct?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Okay, this case is gonna be reset till December 6th of 2021. Mr. Galmore and Ms. Econ, your reset will be sent to your attorney. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman, and also you'll be able to get a copy of these bond conditions from your attorney. Ms. Econ, this will conclude your case. Stay safe, you're free to go, and have a blessed day.
Okay, thank you so much. You
You're
too.
welcome.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, and Mr. Galmore, your reset will be sent to you. And Mr. Galmore, I think, is this your last case?
It's my last case, Judge. I appreciate it.
Okay, you're free to go. Stay safe and have a blessed day.
Thank you. You too.
Okay. Charles. Who else we have? Mr. Marks. Okay, he's represented by that. Oh, that's right. Mr. Marks, Charles Marks,
Yes, sir.
we're waiting for your attorney to either appear in court or on Zoom, so just hold on a few minutes.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Mr. Marks, make sure your mic is on mute. Thank you. Mr. Marquise O'Neill, your attorney appeared early on Zoom. He's gonna, I guess, reappear. So until he reappears, put your mic on mute.
All right.
All right.